Hello everyone. This is the presentation for our BTech final year project titled At Doorstep, an innovative online application for household services. I, Vibhu Saxena, along with my teammates Tanya Goel and Tarun Garia, have completed this project under the supervision of Dr. K.K. Agarwal. With the rise of e-commerce, the growth of booking home services over the internet has acquired extensive popularity in the recent times. People find it more convenient to book services online from the comfort of their homes and offices than going out to find someone to do the same. A noteworthy effect can be seen on the market share of brick and mortar retailers, as it has imposed a great threat to the small business owners, laborers, and shopping mall retailers who are unaware of the internet or are far away from technologies. The looming of easy online service booking has left them with nothing but uncertainties and helplessness. It has become very critical to take one business online. Keeping in mind the same, in this project a mobile application is developed named At Doorstep. It is a mobile market for local services. It helps customers to hire workers for all their service needs such as beauty and wellness, home maintenance, repairs, home care and design, etc. A platform for all the hardworking people to connect directly with the customers and cater to their home service demands at their doorsteps. It will help the retailers and laborers to adapt to the changing trend. It is an initiative for all the retail shops and laborers to be able to deliver services at the doorstep of their customers, and hence this name is given to the application. It is a small contribution towards unemployment. There are already some existing apps which are providing the same services to help customers with their service needs and send their employees to customers' home to fix the problem. But this is of no use to the laborers because these companies are using their own employees and not people from the retail shop or daily wage laborers. At Doorstep is basically concerned for this section of the society. Some apps provide only few services based on availability of their professional employees. At Doorstep would have no such problem as it would connect the customer directly to the shop or labor on the basis of their requirement. As a mediator is involved, there is always scope of commission and therefore prices are higher even for small services. At Doorstep eliminates the presence of mediator and thus the cost for services would be reasonable. The laborers would be linked to the shop. No retail shop or small scale business would compromise its name by providing fake workers. If the customers are not satisfied with the work of the employee, many a times there is no chat or calling options for them to register their complaints. At Doorstep would have both. People can give reviews, positive and negative. Customers can even book their employee based on the ratings that a particular labor or shop has. This would help both the customer and the employee to select the best and give their best respectively and would set a healthy competition. The authentication of the laborers would be done by verifying and linking their Aadhaar KYC with the At Doorstep app. When a service is booked by the customer, an OTP would be generated for the labor, which would be verified by the customer once he reaches the destination. On booking a service, the customer would have all the details about the employee, such as his name, profile picture, number, booked for the service. There are 3 modules in our application: admin side, customer side, and the vendor side. Coming to the admin side, the main task of the admin is to basically ensure the smooth functioning of the application. The admin verifies the users registering on the application and maintains user login details. The workers are added and deleted on the application by admin supervision. The customer side. Customers willing to avail home services can create an account by providing valid credentials. An OTP will be sent to the registered number for verification. Once verified, the customers are free to use the services as per their needs. When a customer books any service, the request is submitted and the details about the worker who will be coming to work is provided to the customer so that they can be sure about the person coming to attend their service. The service starts only when the customer enters the OTP in the app given by the worker at their doorstep. Once the service is matched with the OTP, the worker can start working. This is done so that the customer can also relax knowing that the correct person has come to attend the work, matching all the details mentioned in the profile. Thus, double verification is provided. Third, the vendor side. The workers enrolled on this application will be first verified and their Aadhaar will be linked with the At Doorstep app to avoid fraud and false identity. Once verified, the workers and small business owners are free to use this application. They too have to register themselves, specifying what work they do and what all services they can provide to the customers. They can even specify their per hour wage so that the customer can book them accordingly. The worker will be paid after the completion of the work according to the service charge sheet. A research paper for the same has also been published in the Journal of Xi'an University of Architecture and Technology in the month April 2020. These are the screenshots of the paper. Now Tanya Goel will explain and show the working of our application.
So let's begin with the vendor app first. So as the shopkeeper enters through our app, they will see a login screen. This login screen will ask them to enter their contact number. As soon as they enter their contact number, they will click on get OTP and they will receive the OTP for the same. After that OTP verification, their mobile number will be verified. After that, the screen which comes is the type of user you want to log in as. So right now I am logging as the shop. You can also log in as the individual labor. After that, it asks for the shop details. So here the owner needs to fill his own name, date of birth, shop name, shop address, type of shop he has, and the number of workers working in that shop. Right now I am adding some of the details. So I have added the name, the date of birth, and the shop name is Electric Work. The address is Delhi. Shop type is, it has all the electricians working in it, and there are 5 workers. After submitting the details, the shopkeeper needs to add the details of each and every individual working in his shop. So I am adding few of them. Their contact number, their Aadhaar number to verify them, their skills they are having, and after that, adding all the skills, we will click on continue, which shows the dashboard screen to the shopkeeper. Here at the dashboard screen, they will first see the number of work they have completed, the total number of works, the remaining they can change accordingly the things they want to see. It will show the offers currently on some of the services they need to add on. After that, they will see all the workload they have, either they are remaining, they are completed, or whatever as per the status of the work is. And last is the profile option for editing their profile. These all will show them that how much work is left out for them or they have completed. They can add on the offers as per their own work. Moving on to the customer site application, as the user opens the app, they will see a login page which asks them to enter their phone number. After entering the phone number, they will click on get OTP and they will receive a notification for the same. After entering the OTP, they can click on continue button. If they didn't receive any code, they can click on resend code. So now I'm clicking on continue. So here comes our dashboard. So at the top of the dashboard, it will show all the offers that we are providing over our services on day-to-day basis. Next, it will show the type of services which we are providing to our customers, and as we go down, it will show the detailed description about each and every service which we are providing to our customers. Other than that, we have added the search option so that the customers can search for a particular type of service, and the notifications options if our services are having some new offers or we are adding some new services to our app, so the customer will get notified for the same. Here we have also provided the option for the location. The customer can choose the location on their own, as they can check out on the Google map, or they can enter their location manually as well. Here is the order history, which shows the total orders that the customer has placed till now and the orders which are completed. Right now it's empty as I haven't logged into any particular account. So here is the profile option, which shows some of the options like sign in, language, notifications, settings, logout. While clicking on language, it will show the two languages, English and Hindi. It will change accordingly as per the user wants. By clicking on it, notifications will show all the notifications that the user will receive. Settings will consist of the theme, dark theme, light theme, and some other settings. Sign in will take you to the sign in page, that is the OTP screen which we were logging in, right? So after that, suppose I am clicking on carpenter service, as the customer requires the carpenter service. Now we are showing here the type of carpenter services there are present, like door repairing, locks repairing, furniture repairing. The user can go through the detailed description of these particular services that we are providing. By clicking on a book a service, they will move on to the payment page, which shows the particular amount for the carpenter service and the hourly charges for the labor, like GST and some other taxes, total amount to be paid it will show, and the payment methods through which the customer wants to pay. So if the customer wants to pay with PayTabs, Paytm or cash on delivery, it will also consist of many other payment methods in future. So if I click on cash on delivery, so now I have to pay 600 rupees on my cash on delivery, right? On the proceed to checkout, we will receive thanks for booking our services. We hope to see you back in future. So after that, the customer has placed the order and they will pay cash on delivery option, right? Now continuing with it, we will move on to our dashboard screen again, so that the customer can book other services as well.
Here are some of my codes that I have written using Flutter framework with the help of Dart language in it. This is my main.dart file. This is my code for the dashboard. This is my code for the home screen. Same is for the login page. And here is my code for the customer site app. This is my main.dart file. Here are some of the widgets that I created which are required in my application. Similarly, I have created the codes for my screens which are being shown in the app. This is my dashboard screen code. This is my language controller code. This is my order placed code. This is the code for my OTP screen, payment screen, etc. So thank you for watching.